Beautiful question. Jazakallah khair. Akramakum Allah. Maybe we all benefit, inshallah. Naam. Firstly, I'm going to go to the Quran. I'm not going to go to social models that were invented by men. I'm not going to go to sociology or psychology, people who are the most confused about the basics of life and especially religion. طيب. Allah says in the Quran, one ayah, يقسم ظهور الجميع يا أيها الناس. O mankind, إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى. We made you from male and female. So from the essence, we're all the same. Black, white, Somali, Moroccan, wherever you come from. We made you from male and female. وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلَ لِتَعَارَفُوا. But we created you into tribes and nations. Why? So you may know one another. There's nothing wrong with knowing one's culture. The Somalis, they have their culture. Naam, the Moroccans, they have their culture. As long as it doesn't go against Kitab and Sunnah. طيب. إِنَّ أَكْرَمَكُمْ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ أَتْقَاكُمْ. The best of you before Allah, the most pious. So as it refers to our standing before Allah, there's no difference except with taqwa. Secondly, with regards to those individuals that are marda, they're sick, whether they have unsuriya Arabiya, wallahi, any nationalistic code is going to lead to dalala. Look at what happened to the Arab nationalists. They ended up saying what? آمنت بالبعث ربا. I believe the Ba'athist party is my Lord. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. That nationalism.